Okay, so you can see our chicken has been marinated. So we can put that on skewers and put it over the barbecue, but it's raining outside, so this is going in the oven. So pretty much we're going to put each piece of that chicken, lay it out. We've got an oven preheating to 180 degrees, see? And then we're going to bake that in the oven for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, depending on your oven. Okay, I'm going to get all of that yogurty goodness out. And then we're going to put that in the oven, bake it, and then see what it's like. Okay, see you in a minute. Now the chicken's ready and ready to serve.